it's Glitch and Clean. I got a nice easy glitch for you guys on Buried. It's on top of a fence. It creates a zombie pileup, and your friends can stand back and help you shoot the zombies. This was found by XX Phase X Troll XX and NYC's Most Wanted. And we'll show you guys how to get it set up right here. Head over to this spot right here. Make sure you have a trample steam and place the trample steam in this area right where I do. It doesn't have to be exact, but try to get it as close as you can. And once you have it placed, you want to stand in the center of the trample steam and then crouch. And then after it flings you and you're in the air, you want to hold down the crouch button until you land. So we'll show you right here. I'm standing in the center, I'm crouched. It's flung me in the air, and after I get flung, I immediately hit and hold down the crouch button until it gets me landed in that spot. Then you can let go of it. Now once you get flung into this spot, do not turn left or right. It will disturb the pile up and the zombies will come around to the other side and kill you. But from here you can use claymores. You're a little bit limited on the ability to shoot zombies, but you can shoot some of them. It is a good team glitch for your friends to be able to stand back and shoot. I like this glitch because you can get in and out of it very easily. I would recommend that you have Juggernog in this spot because you may get hit once or twice, but it's not enough to down you. But yeah, I hope you guys get to try this, and we'll see you next tutorial.
I'm pretty tired, pretty wired, pretty silent, pretty fire. Hardly breathing, hardly open. They killed me right before I wrote this. So hopeless, no emotions, but I'm the greatest soul from 5 oceans. And I'm the dopest, and there's nothing compared to me, boy, with the oversized notions. So bogus, so fearful, and I love it that way when they're near me.